So here we're back on a new video on my channel, Lonko. Today I'm going to show you how to order from PandaBuy step by step. And if you want me to review something like a t-shirt or a shoe, I made a separate video, so write it in this video or in this comment section. I also made a post in the community section, but just 5 commentaries. And yeah, let's start with the video. So the first step is to go on PandaBuy. If you want to support me and want to see more videos like this, you can register with the link in my bio. So here, I just copy it here, sorry, then search it up. And now I'm already signed. If you're not signed, there will be a short, small process, and then you will going to register. That's the first step. The second step, to find things like, I don't know, like what you want, and then I like to use the spreadsheet from Canva. I think it's the biggest, and maybe I'm going to make a own spreadsheet where you could buy things and search up things, like for example here, like shoes. There are thousands of shoes where you can choose one from all of them. For example, let's take the Nike Nocta where I was here. I'll take, for example, the black ones. I click on the link, not doing anything. Just this is just one method, and I'm going to show you more. For example, then you click here, and then you add it to the cart. If you want more information, you could look down there to the reviews. So he says 1 to 1 and very comfortable. The reviews are always different. So because of that, I'm always making a review or trying to make a review, so you have an honest review, a whole review, and can look how it looks in real life and not on pictures. So this is not the only method. Second method could be like, for example, searching up uh, but this doesn't work all time, just sometimes if you have good luck. So I searched up Louis Vuitton trainer white blue, for example this here, and then you copy this picture. Yeah, you copy it, go to PandaBuy, and then put it in here. Wait, just so, like that. I just put it in, and then it's searching products like this picture. You see, it came up a few, and then you could look. That's one method. A little bit wrong color, but it's still the shoe, like, you know what I mean? If you don't find anything, you could look up like that, and that's one method. The other method is to look up from Candor. He also has a seller spreadsheet, and also the sellers. For example, Umkao is a very good shoe seller where you could look up shoes. He has every kind of shoe, like everything you want, like running shoes. I don't know, Pegasus, Louis Vuitton trainer. Here, for example, Vapor Max, everything. He just has from very much price categories. Here you can see 220 or I don't know, 50 down here. So it's very good. And then if you got a product and you want to see how it looks, so I'm just going to go to my cart or to order. So this shoe I bought right now a while ago. So you copy this link above. You copy this and go to a site. Here, I'm going to put it there, and you write QC PandaBuy. Then you click on there and put it in. that the link you copied, and then here, for example, size 45. Then you could look up pictures. If there are no pictures, then probably it's not sold, like just once, or not sold anyways. And if you unfortunately there are no pictures, so you can look up here if you like the shoe or not. And also, by the way, to these shoes I'm going to do a review, so if you want this shoe, stay tuned. I could show you. Wait here. This is a Louis Vuitton trainer shoe in white blue, like the one I showed right now. This Nike joggers, the Cortez tracksuit, which is very interesting, a clipper, which I am also going to try. So uh, good review how the battery is and everything, how it cuts. I'm not a professional barber, but yeah, I will try my best. Here, card holder. This one I returned. Here, Ralph Lauren socks and this Ami shirt. So that's it. And now I just showed how you look up how they look like. Then if you choose the product you want and it looks good and everything is fine, there is your size and everything, you press here and then submit, like you put it in your cart and then you submit here. The destination I ship to is Austria, and then you say submit order. So here and then here you could can pay me with PayPal, with balance, with everything. I always pay with PayPal or with balance, but sometimes PayPal is not available at some luxury products, so you gotta pay with a balance. And at the balance, you can just top it up with PayPal. So PayPal is always working. Just you gotta top it up. Like for example, I have $17, and if the product is like $25, I top up $8 with PayPal, and so I have $25. You know what I mean? And then I confirm the payment, and then it's going to be shipped to the warehouse. That is the second process. So I just above here you can see payment pending. I can just easily cancel payment. I'll do it later. So here I bought this shoe. You can see few minutes ago, and okay, and now the process is pending. This is the second step. Like if you order, and then what is going to happen with the shoe? The shoe is going to be at first process pending, then going to be purchased, after that seller sent, then to storing, and after that to stored. Stored means it's in the warehouse and it is ready to ship. Often people um, forget that storing is not meant stored. Like you gotta be careful and read always careful. Storing is meaning that it's going to be stored. It's not stored already. So you gotta wait. Just be patient. It's always gonna. There would not be any problems with like coming in the warehouse and everything. So here now, right now I have 8 things in the warehouse, and soon I'm going to ship them. So what you're going to do, like for example, I want to ship this, this, or just like everything, select all. Then I can look up. For Europe, I recommend using Europe tariffless line. Any line, line B, line M, line Y, line F, normal line, everything like. But now I have an electronical product, so I have to use line B. But if I take out the clipper, you can see I have more lines available. But I think line B, line M, like all Europe tariffless lines are safe are all safe. They are all same safe. Like no one is a little bit more safe, or maybe just a little bit faster. But I have a product with a battery, so I'm going to use line B. I just don't have not a chance. And then you're going to submit here. I'm going here, and then here above you select the address. I'm going to not show you that, guys. And then you go down. Here you are your products, and then you could choose like net weight, so the packages comes off. I would recommend using a choose net weight because they often, I don't have a shoe right now, but they often just take very much volume and weight. So just just cross on net weight, so you don't have very much weight, and the shipping is cheaper. Now I have a card holder, so there is not much weight with the packaging, but in shoes I always recommend you putting away the boxes. So here, always take carton box. No, never simple packing. That's never good. So and this everything you could choose. It's not that necessary. I would use vacuum bag and stretch film. Parcel reinforcement if you want, but it's not that necessary. Then here I can select Europe Tariffless Line B. Here we come to declaration. Other lines are different, but all Europe Tariffless lines are same. You always gotta declare between 18 and $21. The best one is always with like numbers after the comma. For example, 18.71. Sorry, wait. 71. So that's the best way to declare. Always with numbers after the comma. And guys, you don't pay this amount of money. You don't pay it. It's just normal. And always buy insurance. Just €5. It's not that much. Just €5, and you already insured $103 of the product and 63 of the shipping. So almost everything. And then you could use a coupon, and I have a few because like there was holidays and so on. So this is it, and then you submit the parcel. Then you just gotta wait. Just be patient. Everything is going to be okay. You just gotta be patient. The main point at PandaBay is to be patient. You always gotta be patient. So after you shipped your haul, everything is going to out of your warehouse and is going at parcels. So in one package, like you can see here, the other packages. Here 15 pieces. It's going to be in one package. Here I also used Europe Tesla's line B because I had AirPods in it. So, and then it's going to be here. I don't know the steps, but I will write them here so you can see it. The first step, the second step, the third, and so on. So, you could see here your tracking number. I'm not censoring it because I don't want to show you my address, but with this tracking number, you go on, you could look up on tracking. Here 17 track. It's also a good way to track your hauls. You put it here in the number, like the one tracking number, or just parcel tracking. Here this one. This one is also I recommend both of them. So you can look always up there when it's going to arrive at your home. So, and always be patient. So guys, if you watch till here, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video so I can make more videos like that. And I please you, use the link in my bio so you support me. It's free. You don't pay money or anything. It's free. It's literally free. And leave a like and write something down in the comment if you want a link or something you want me to review. You can write here or here in the comment section or under this video. It's no problem. I will always try to help you. So this was my video. I hope it helped you with ordering on PandaBuy. And see you soon in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a nice comment. Bye.